Hey, it's Dave here from Mr. Smith Locks. Today I just thought I'd go through what I call a lever change. So basically this lock works with this key. As you can see, locks, unlocks. That's not a problem. Right, so I've got this one. It's fresh, still sealed. So we're going to open that quickly. Oh, as quick as I can. We'll take out the gubbins that I don't need, especially in the back, in the bag. It's on key set. So to prove that one works. And then the keys that I've just used on the other lock, different. So they're different. Not going to work on that. So I'm going to change the lever packs. So this one matches the one that I've just shown you. So bear with me. I'll re-angle the camera so you can see what I'm doing. Okay. In a bit. So as you can see, this is the keys. These are the keys for this one. That works. And these are keys for this one. But they won't work in this. Doesn't matter which side you try it from, they will not work in this lock. So I need to make this one work with these keys. So there's two with the same key. This is the original keys for this. They're going out of there. And these are what I need to change. With my little tools into the hand. So now we're ready to start. What I'm going to do is take the levers from this one and going to put them together with the keys that came with it. I may be able to reuse those at some point. Yeah, if somebody loses the key, rather than changing the actual lock, I can just re-lever it. With 3 screws, and this is where you need the tool, because if you take that out, massive spring down here just pings out. So we've got that one. I'm taking them out in a particular order so that I know when I put them together that's the order for that key. So I'm going to need my small screwdriver. Just obviously with no fingernails you'll need it all the time. Take that one out. So those levers will go with those keys. Now, so I've got my new set here that will need to go in this way. So I need to separate them. We'll take that out and we'll turn them face down. So the top one then is the first one in. I have to go in that order, otherwise the keys won't work. The right levers, just the wrong place, will prevent things from operating properly. It's not rocket science, but I would advise you leave it to a professional. And it's that simple. We'll screw it together now. Excuse me. Screw it together now. So make sure I don't cross thread them, so I'll go backwards first. There we go. So So that guarantees you don't cross thread them. It finds the thread backwards, then you can work forwards. So make sure they're tight. Take the special tool out. The screw's not working again. Now the keys for this one, which I've already shown you, I've not moved since I started this. We'll now operate this one. So I've got 2 locks. Sometimes I do stick a bit of gentle persuasion, it's fine. So 2 locks working on the same key. This is the original one for this, just to demonstrate it will not work. No matter what, it will not work. Thanks for watching. That's hopefully you've learned something. Mainly not to do it yourself. There's do not open, locksmith tool required. Anyway, thanks for watching, and have a good weekend. Bye.